All right, it's Johnny Snow back in the building. And yeah, we're about to do something else to this micro Draco Tactical. You see that I went ahead and put a sight on here. And yes, we are running the JMAC up front. We got the KGB grip and we got the CNC Warrior brace. Took that other brace off. Now we finna go ahead and do something to this trigger. I've had a lot of people ask me to go ahead and put an AK Flex on one of my Dracos, so this is the lucky candidate right here. We're gonna go ahead and flex this one on out. Let's go ahead and get it to the shop and get it put on. All right, there go the Snow Patrol on Kodak. We got the Snow Patrol AK Flex. We AK flexing up in here. We're gonna see how this trigger run. Yeah, and I also added the hand stop, added a sight to it. So old Kodak ready to roll. Kodak is ready to roll. Yeah, you guys saw that, right? I blew my muzzle device all the way down range. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, I was a little disappointed. I was a little disappointed because, these are the things I usually don't put in my videos. I do test fires. I do all type of stuff just to see how it's going to work. And I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the video this time. And yeah, it blew it right off. I bought a muzzle device off of eBay, and well, the muzzle device wasn't off eBay. The extension that I put on here is off eBay, and it did not work. Here, let's see, let you guys. It blew the threads right off, sent it flying down range. Matter of fact, here it is. I went down there and got it. This is my JMAC, and it blew the threads off inside of it. So we're going to take this back to the drawing board because I'm not done with this. I'm going to go ahead and make this work. And I'm not going to buy the threads off of eBay no more, but you're going to see this again. But I will say this, I did like the AK Flex on here. It shot pretty good. We had a few misfires, and I kind of did not like my hand being down there by the flames, even though I do have the, thumb stop right there and everything. And it's like, these things happen. These things happen. And, I am going to take it back to the drawing board. We gonna try this again. But all in all, the gun shot good. And I like how the grip feels. I like the brace on it. Just that I blew the damn JMAC all the way down the gun range. And when it happened, it was like, what in the hell was that? And then I looked and I saw, I was like, oh, that's what it was. That's what it was. Do not buy barrel extensions off of eBay, or, I don't know. It's one of them things where you just gotta, you'll try it out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I will have this back on here. I got another route that I'm gonna go with this, and we're gonna go ahead and get this running right, because I did like the way the JMAC looked on the end of this. Just that we had a weak link. We had a weak link. So that's what it looks like now. That's what it looks like now. So damn. Right here.